Hello, welcome to the AI Automation with Gaurav. And today we are going to create a workflow, auto backup n8n workflows to Google Drive. In day-to-day life, I am facing one difficulties in n8n where I need to just copy the JSON file and then paste it to the local machine and then send to the Git or sometimes to Google Drive to share with the colleagues. So it's not feasible thing to copy every time after some changes. So I have created a workflow where based on the trigger we can upload the JSON. I mean every workflow in our n8n to the Google Drive. So let's start. There are certain requirements to follow this tutorial. As you can see, let me zoom in for you. So we need to set up n8n API credential. You can go to settings and then n8n API and then you can generate an API for you. Then you should set a Google Drive auth credential and then we'll create one folder in the Google Drive. And that's it, the requirement. Let's start creating a workflow. So here we have trigger node. Then we will add a folder because we need to create folder to upload all the files every day. So let's Google Drive, create folder. Okay, as I have already set up my Google credential, you can simply add here and then add your client ID and client secret, and that's it. So let's first execute this previous node so we'll have some information. Then here we have now date time and something. So let's create a folder name. Here we will create a folder. Operation will be create folder name. Let's first click on expression. Click create now. Dot format. And let's keep it this format. So this folder will be created. But where we would like to create, I have many folder here. So I like AI agent web series that I am following. So I'll create in this folder. I'll create this folder. Okay, perfect. Then let's execute that. As you can see here, let me just refresh that. Okay, here we have a folder created. Then let's n8n node and we need to, these are all API available for n8n. So right now what we need is get many workflows. Okay, so I have already set up my n8n API here. How you can set up it? You can just copy the API key that we have generated. Then you can put base URL. Please make sure you will write your IPv4 if you are running on localhost because localhost will not work. So please make sure copy your IPv4 and then API key, and you can use this base URL. In the base URL also you need to make sure you use API and v1 at the endpoints. Okay, here there is option return all or let's see what options we have available options. Project ID, if we'd like to extract workflows for particular project, then we have option of project ID. Then we have option of name, tags. But right now, what I need is I need to uh, get all my workflows in n8n and just save that. So I'll use that. I'll not use any other properties, any other options available here. Okay, let's execute that. So as you can see, there are around 10 items, 27 items available in, or let's see, there are around 10 items, or there are 27 items, as you can see here. So there are 27 workflows, and eventually I try to look in the workflow and change something. So I want every day to have backup. So I'll have most updated file available. Next, to save those 27 items, what I need to loop over. So let's use loop. Okay, batch size will be by default 1, and let's go here. Now I need to upload a file here. I have list of JSON, so I need to first use that JSON string and create the file out of that. So let me delete this and let's add again drive, Google Drive. Then I need to create file from text. So this action, we will select this action. Now let me execute one. So I'll have some item to see. Okay, so here we need to add a file. So we'll select file, create from text, file content. So file content will be all of this. So what we can do, oops, dollar JSON. So this is object, but I want, let's say not an object, but two JSON string. So I have all my JSON string available here, and then we'll have file name. So file name will be, okay, let's go to get my workflows. No, on the loop over item, and here we have file name. So email tagging, it was there. I just drag and drop, then underscore. I want again the date time. So I'll not use now, but I'll use the updated at. So we'll have that information as well in the file name. So this will be our file name. Let's put .json at the end. So the file name will be something like this. Try the parent folder. So we should take parent folder expression by ID, and parent folder we should take from the drive output, and here is drive output, we take drive output. Okay, here we have ID of a folder that we created. There are a couple of other options, but we don't need that right now, and that's it. Let's execute this. Okay, it's executed, and I think we should have something here. Perfect. We have a file stored with the naming convention as this. So in this way, we can save all the files available on our n8n. And let me just execute this workflow. So nothing, no operation, do nothing at the end. And I just quickly click on here. So all 27 node will be executed and saved to the Google Drive. Here we go. And in this way on all files will be saved, and you will have backup of your n8n workflows and you will not lose those. So three are done. Let's see, there are a lot of files available, 5 6 7, and in this way we can save our work. to directly on the Google Drive. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned. We will have couple of more interesting videos ahead. Thank you.